Good Tuesday or Monday night, everybody, and we're on the verge of another potential winter storm here tonight through Wednesday. A lot of unclear details. This is a bit tricky because when you get this late in the season, and we're basically right in spring now, the sun's really strong during the day. There's a couple things that really need to come together perfectly to cause a substantial snowfall, but I do think some ingredients are going to be there, and this is my forecast for later in the day tomorrow, mainly tomorrow night, which is Tuesday night, through Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon. So you're seeing a nice 5 to 8 inch band here, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, 2 to 4. I'll update this to a final forecast tomorrow, but this is based on everything I'm looking at, what I think makes the most sense right now. So looking at what's going to happen tomorrow, this initial wave of precipitation comes through tomorrow afternoon. Now, yes, snow can break out in northern areas, but I don't think this is going to accumulate that much. I could be wrong, but I think given the daytime, the sun during the daytime and the intensity of precipitation, maybe a few inches at the higher elevations tomorrow in northern New Jersey, but I don't expect much accumulation until we get to tomorrow night, because what's going to happen is this initial low comes through, and then we have a secondary low that really develops and wraps all this in as we get into very early Wednesday morning. And this is where you have actually some good cold air in place, that the storm is to the western flank of the storm. Yes, this storm can wrap in some warm air, causing some mixing issues, but again, out of all the different model differences, I like this model the best. This is the regional Canadian model, and you can see it blows up a very impressive storm system as we get throughout the day Wednesday. But by the time we get to Wednesday evening, it's dying down. So really, if this storm formulates as I think, the peak of the storm is Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon, where again I'm expecting a nice band of 5 to 8 inches across most of the area, and this will be tweaked by the time we get to tomorrow morning with a final forecast. So let's see what happens. This is a bit tricky this time, so there is high bust potential here. But right now, this is my best guess on what I think is going to happen on Wednesday.